In the new political dispensation, it was becoming increasingly difficult for all the left-wing and progressive elements to survive, as unfortunately it was also the beginning of a culture of violence that plagued the campuses for years to come.
It took me about 2 months to confirm an episode. For example, it was understood that the first usage of weaponry at the Karachi University was undertaken by the Islamic Jamiat-e-Talaba in 1979, when a few of IJT members shot at a progressive students gathering at the university, and there was a retaliation against them when certain NSF and PSF militants led by Salamullah Tipu retaliated and killed one Islamic Jamiat-e-Talaba student as a retaliation. But I got about 3-4 accounts of the same event, so I had to go back to the newspapers of 1981 to find out, okay, how did the press report that? I got that, but also realizing that it was 1981 newspaper I was reading, and that was during Ziaul-Haq's time, and press was very seriously curbed. So it was tough.
It was not possible to face Jamiat lonely. It's not possible for one organization. Then we have made this organization. United Student Movement was the alliance of different nationalist, progressive and liberal student organizations. The Liberal Student Organization was part of that. PSF, People's Student Federation, Pakhtun Student Federation, Baloch Student Organization, and last, what I remember, the APMS was also the part of it.
I mean, like revolvers, guns, all sort of the ammunition started and used by the right-wingers, especially Jamiat-e-Talaba, in Karachi University, in Punjab University. No, we never, I mean, especially in Karachi University, there was no such thing as revolver.
Colleges and universities are part of the society, so whatever is happening in society get reflected in the, you know, in these educational institutions as well. So because of Afghan policy, the gun culture was introduced in the society, and there were lot more weapons available in and very easily accessible in society. So it was reflected in universities and colleges as well.
Obviously, Jamaat-e-Islami and in turn Islamic Jamiat-e-Talaba, the student wing or student arm of Jamaat-e-Islami, they were pro-military regime, and they were part of the establishment that was opposed by people of Pakistan and students at various universities and colleges.
कराची में तकरीबन उस ज़माने में 56 कॉलेजेस थे, और मैं कराची कॉलेज में जो स्टूडेंट काउंसिल होती थी उसका चेयरमैन भी था, कराची यूनिवर्सिटी का प्रेसिडेंट था। वो जो अभी आपने कहा था ना कि फ़लाँ कॉलेज में और फ़लाँ जगह उसका होल्ड है, उस ज़माने में पूरे शहर के कॉलेजों पे जमीयत का होल्ड था और उसकी यूनियन थी। और मुझे नहीं मालूम कि कितने क्लोज़ थे ये ज़ियाउल-हक़ से, कितने, लेकिन ये ज़ियाउल-हक़ ने उसूली तौर पर फैसला कर लिया था कि ये तालिब इल्मों की एक भरपूर ताकत है, और चूँकि बहुत यूनाइट हो चुकी है और ये किसी वक्त भी मेरे लिए ख़तरा बन सकती है, लिहाजा इस ताकत को कमज़ोर होना चाहिए।
नहीं, हमने देखें ये तो साबित है कि इस्लामी जमात-ए-तलबा ने ज़ियाउल-हक़ को कन्वोकेशन में बुलाने की कोशिश नहीं की है, और इस्लामी जमात-ए-तलबा ने तो ज़ियाउल-हक़ के ख़िलाफ़ पूरी एक तहरीक चलाई है। जनरल ज़ियाउल-हक़ की जो हम तो बुला ही नहीं सकते, हमारी तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता, क्योंकि एक तरीके से जो बैन किया गया स्टूडेंट यूनियंस, वो इनडायरेक्ट तो इस्लामी जमात-ए-तलबा भी हमला था कि उससे पहले की सारी जो यूनियंस थी उसके अंदर जमीयत ने एक प्रोमिनेंट कामयाबियाँ हासिल की थी। तो देखा जाए तो सबसे ज़्यादा नुकसान तो इस्लामी जमात-ए-तलबा को स्टूडेंट यूनियन के बैन से हुआ था। तो हम तो जनरल ज़ियाउल-हक़ के ख़िलाफ़ ने भरपूर तहरीक चलाई है, और हमारा मौक़िफ़ आप रिकॉर्ड उठा के देख लें उस वक्त से यही है कि हमने इसको कभी सपोर्ट नहीं किया।
As far as elections if you take elections as a sort of, to see which organization used to get most votes, that was Jamaat Islami. But I think that it was basically because they were favored by the sitting government,